Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share another one in the how many cable and connector series. This one is Ford Focus 2012, which belonging to the Ford Focus 2011 and 2014. So this already been removed and the radio been removed. You can see our another video how to remove this factory unit. And here behind the head unit there's only three connector, which is the main connector here, main one. It looks like this, flat. Okay, and that's the one. And also it has two other antenna. Okay, they standing for the radio antennas. And this one is just for the other function of, you know, door button and flash button. So here three connector, main connector on the top, and at the back of the head in radio it just look like it. Even it has more of the connector here, it just only use the connector on the right side here. So yep, that's about the Ford Focus with the standard radio like this one. Yep. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. We are doing the 9-inch full package in this Ford Focus. Thank you and see you then.